Independent event, example number 1. A bag contains 3 white and 5 red balls. 2 balls are drawn in succession, with the first ball drawn being replaced before the second is drawn. So ito yung hint para masabi nating independent event. So ang sabi, with the first ball drawn being replaced before the second is drawn. So yung unang nabunot ay ibabalik and then bago bumunot ng ikalawa. So dahil binabalik yung mga nabubunot dito, so yung bola ay hindi nauubos. Ang mga data, 3 white balls, 5 red balls, so total of 8 balls. And ang sabi ay pick 2 balls with replacement. So, tatlong solutions ang gagawin natin sa problem na ito. Solution number 1. Isipin na muna natin yung mga events. So, ang mga pwedeng mangyari. So, ang mabubunot ay pwedeng 2 white. O kaya naman, 1 white, 1 red. O kaya naman, 2 red. Sa unang event, 2 white. So, ang unang mabubunot ay white at ang pangalawa ay white pa rin. Sa unang bunot, 3 yung available white and 8 yung available balls. So, 3/8. Then, sa pangalawang bunot, white ulit. So, dahil ang unang nabunot, which is white, ay ibinalik. So, 3 white ang available para sa ikalawang bunot and 8 ang balls na available. So that the probability is 9/64. So ito yung probability na ang mabubunot ay 2 white. Next, para sa ikalawang event, 1 white and 1 red. So pwedeng mangyari na ang unang mabunot ay white, susunod ay red, or pwede rin namang ang una ay red and then susunod ay white. So dahil alam natin ang probability ay permutation, so kailangan natin i-arrange white red and red white. So para sa white red, so probability na white, 3 available white over 8 available balls. And then pangalawa ay red, so 5 yung red and then 8 yung balls kasi ibinalik nga yung unang binunot. So the probability is 15/64. Next, red white. So, para sa unang bunot, red. So, 5 yung available red over 8 available balls. And then, pangalawa is white. So, 3 white over 8 balls. So, probability 15/64. So, yung probability na 1 white and 1 red is the sum of these two probabilities. So, 30/64. Or in simplest form, 15/32. Sa third event, 2 red. So, ang unang mabubunot ay red. Then, pangalawa ay red. So, una is red, 5/8. And then, red again, 5/8. So, probability is 25/64. So, ito naman yung probability na ang mabubunot ay 2 red. Then, get the sum of the probabilities. And since the sum is 1, so, tama yung sagot natin. Solution 2, binomial distribution. So itong solution 2, mayroong limitation ito. Applicable lang siya kapag ang problem ay independent event only. So hindi siya applicable sa dependent event. So ito yung formula for binomial distribution. So let P be the probability na white ang mabubunot sa single trial. So that is 3/8. So yan yung probability say na white. And then Q is the probability na not white ang mabubunot sa single trial. So yung probability na not white is actually probability na red. And that is 5/8. So that the sum P plus Q is equal to 1. Ilista natin yung mga events. So, ang mga pwedeng mangyari ay 2 white, 0 red. So, pwede rin namang 1 white and 1 red. At pwede rin namang 0 white, 2 red. Okay, sa problem na to, ang sabi pick 2 balls. So, itong 2 na to is the N. Then, apply the formula. So, 2C. Then, mamaya na natin fill upan yung N1 or N2. Then, P is 3/8. Then, Q is 5/8. Yung N1, which is exponent of P, ay kung ilang beses nangyari yung P. So, dito sa first event, dalawa yung white. So, exponent of P is 2. Then, 0 yung red. So, the exponent of Q is 0. And then, ito naman ay 2 or 0. So, sagot ay 9/64. Sa pangalawang event, 1 white and 1 red. So, N is 2. Then, C. Then, P is 3/8. Q is 5/8. At sa event na to, isa yung white. So, exponent of P is 1. And isa yung red. So, exponent of Q is also 1. At ito naman ay 1. So, ang sagot ay 30/64. In simplest form, 15/32. Sa pangatlong event, 0 white and 2 red. So, formula 2C. P is 3/8. Q is 5/8. Sa event na ito, 0 yung white. So, the exponent of P is 0. Dalawa yung red. So, the exponent of Q is 2. At ito naman ay 0 or 2. So, ang sagot ay 25/64. And since ang total is 1, so tama yung sagot. Solution 3 is multinomial distribution. Itong solution na ito ay applicable for independent event only. Ang binomial distribution ay meron kasing disadvantage. So, pwede lang gamitin ang binomial distribution kapag dalawahan lang yung outcomes. So, halimbawa, white and red. Ang multinomial naman, kahit ilang outcomes yan. So, halimbawa, kahit maraming kulay, no? So, may white, may red, may blue, may green. So, pang maramihang outcomes ang multinomial distribution. So, ito yung formula para sa multinomial distribution. So, let P1 be the probability na ang mabubunot ay white sa single trial. So, that is 3/8. Then, P2 is the probability na red ang mabubunot sa single trial. So, that is 5/8. Sa example na to, hanggang P2 lang tayo kasi dalawa lang yung colors na white and red. Then, yung mga events, 2 white, 0 red, 1 white, 1 red, and 0 white, 2 red. Sa unang event, 2 white, 0 red, we apply the formula. So, P1 is 3/8. P2 is 5/8. Then, yung N1, yun yung number of white. Okay, so dahil ang desired outcome natin ay dalawang white, so N1 is 2. And then yung N2 naman is the number of red. So dahil ang desired is 0 red, so N2 is 0. And then N factorial, so N is 2. And then over N1, N2. So sagot ay 9/64. Sa second event, 1 white and 1 red. So, P1 is 3/8. P2 is 5/8. So, number of white is 1. Number of red is 1. And then, 2 factorial over 1 factorial, 1 factorial. So, ang sagot ay 30/64. In simplest form, 15/32. Third event, 0 white, 2 red. So P1 is 3 over 8. P2 is 5 over 8. So number of white 0, number of red 2, then n factorial over n1 factorial, n2 factorial. So ang sagot 25 over 64. And the total is 1. So tama ang sagot. Ito na yung summary. So para sa 2 white 0 red, 9 over 64. Para sa 1 white and 1 red, so pinermit pa natin white red, then red white. So probability 30 over 64. And 0 white 2 red is 25 over 64. So para sa unang tanong, the probability that the balls drawn are both red, so ang sagot is 25 over 64. So answer is letter D. So number 2, the probability that the balls drawn are both white is 9 over 64. So ang sagot letter D. Number 3, probability that the balls drawn are 1 white and 1 red. So sinabi 1 white and 1 red. So hindi sinabi kung anong order, kung sinong mauuna. So ipe-permit natin white red, red white. So ang sagot 30 over 64. Or in simplest form, 15 over 32. So answer is letter A. Number 4, probability that the balls drawn are white then red. So sinabi white then red. So ibig sabihin, una si white, susundan ni red. So ito yon, una white, susundan ni red. So that is 15 over 64. So ang sagot letter A. Number 5, the probability that the balls drawn are red then white. So red ang una, white ang pangalawa. So ito yon. So ang sagot 15 over 64. Letter B. Number 6, probability that the balls drawn contain at least 1 red. So sa tatlong events, ang desired outcome natin ay itong pangalawa kasi merong isang red at itong pangatlo, dalawang red. So isa-summation natin itong dalawang ito. So ang total is 55 over 64. Answer is letter D. Number 7, probability that the balls drawn contain at least 1 white. So sa tatlong events, so ito yung desired outcome, dalawang white, isang white. So ang total, 9 over 64 plus 30 over 64 is 39 over 64. The answer is letter D.